This watch includes the following counties in Wisconsin: Buffalo and Tupelo. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The National Weather Service in the Twin Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Eau Claire County until 4:45 p.m. At 4:10 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Augusta, or 18 miles southeast of Eau Claire, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Augusta, Fall Creek, Fairchild, Ludington, Foster, and Lake Eau Claire County Park. This includes Interstate 94 in Wisconsin between mile markers 79 and 86. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is Weather Radio Station. Until 4:45 p.m. At 4:10 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Augusta, or 18 miles southeast of Eau Claire, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Augusta, Fall Creek, Fairchild, Ludington, Foster, and Lake Eau Claire County Park. This includes Interstate 94 in Wisconsin between mile markers 79 and 86. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Posse.